Rahim narrated Abu Huraira radiallahu anhu. The Prophet Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, on the day of resurrection, Abraham will meet his father Azar, whose face will be dark and covered with dust. The Prophet Abraham will say to him, did not I tell you not to disobey me? His father will reply, today I will not disobey you. Abraham will say, Oh Lord, you promised me not to disgrace me on the day of resurrection, and what will be more disgraceful to me than cursing and disobeying my father? Then Allah will say to him, I have forbidden paradise for the disbelievers. Then he will be addressed, O Abraham, look what is underneath your feet. He will look, and there he will see a Zaha Hannah, yet a hadith number 569. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. الذين آمنوا ولم يلبسوا إيمانهم بظلم أولئك لهم الأمن وهم مهتدون. It is those who believe in the oneness of Allah and worship none but Him alone, and confuse not their belief with Zalimun wrong, i.e. by worshipping others besides Allah. For them only there is security, and they are the guided. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Zalika hudallahi ज़ालिका हुदल्लाहि यहदी बिही मन यशाउ मिन इबादिही वलौ अशरकू लहबिता अन्हुम मा कानू यामलून. This is the guidance of Allah with which He guides whosoever He wills of His slaves. But if they had joined in worship others with with Allah, all that they used to do would have been of no benefit to him. أولئك الذين آتيناهم الكتاب والحكم والنبوة فإن يكفروا بها هؤلاء فقد وكلنا بها قوما ليسوا بها بكافرين. They are those whom we gave the book Al-Hukm, understanding of the religious laws and prophethood. But if these disbelievers therein the book Al-Hukm and prophethood, then indeed we have entrusted it to a people such as the companions of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu who are not disbelievers therein. أولئك الذين هدى الله فبهداه مقتدي قل لا أسألكم عليه أجرا إن أجري إلا ذكرى للعالمين. They are those whom Allah had guided, so follow their guidance. Say, no reward ask of you for this, the Quran. It is only a reminder for the al-alameen, mankind and jinn. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. وَهَذَا كِتَابٌ أَنزَلْنَاهُ مُبَارَكٌ مُصَدِّقُ الَّذِي بَيْنَ يَدَيْهِ وَلِتُنذِرَ أُمَّ الْقُرَى وَمَنْ حَوْلَهَا وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْآخِرَةِ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِهِ وَهُمْ عَلَى صَلَاتِهِمْ يُحَافِظُونَ. And this, the Quran, is a blessed book which we have sent down, confirming the revelation which came before it, so that you may warm the mother of town, i.e. Makkah, and all those around it, those who believe in the hereafter, believe in it, the Quran, and they are constant in guiding their salat prayers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كاذبا أو قال أوحي إلي ولم يوحى إليه شيء ومن قال سأنزل مثل ما أنزل الله ولو ترى إذ الظالمون في غمرات الموت والملائكة باسطوا أيديهم أخرجوا أنفسكم اليوم تجزون عذاب الهون بما كنتم تقولون على الله غير الحق وكنتم عن آياته تستكبرون. And who can be more unjust than he who invents a lie against Allah, or says a revelation has come to me, where is no revelation has come to him in anything, and who says, I will reveal the like of what Allah has revealed. And if you could but see when the Zalimun, polytheists and wrong doers are in the agonies of death, while the angels are stretching forth their hands, saying, deliver your souls. This day you shall be recompensed with the torment of degradation because of what you used to utter against Allah other than the truth. But you used to reject his ayat, proofs, evidences, verses, lessons, signs, revelations, etc. with desire, with the disrespect. وَلَقَدْ جِئْتُمُونَا فُرَادًا كَمَا خَلَقْنَاكُمْ أَوَّلَ مَرَّةٍ وَتَرَكْتُم مَّا خَوَّلْنَاكُمْ وَرَاءَ ظُهُورِكُمْ وَمَا نَرَىٰ مَعَكُمْ شفعاءكم الذين زعمتم أنهم فيكم شركاؤكم لقد تقطعت بينكم وضل عنكم ما كنتم تزعمون. And truly you have come to us alone without wealth, companions, or anything else, as we created you the first time, you have left behind you all that which we had bestowed on you. We see no with you your inter in intercessors, intercessors whom you claimed to be partners with Allah. Now all relation between you and them have been cut off, and all that you used claim has vanished from you. This is the end of the translation of the Holy Quran.